Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's question is this. What is the minimum number of shares you can buy or sell? What is the minimum number of shares you can buy or sell? I am answering a number of questions I've been asked previously in my Telegram group. The investors there wanted to know what is the minimum number of shares you can buy or sell. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and please join our Telegram group. I have a Telegram group where we talk about the stock market 24/7. People ask questions, I answer, I guide them, stocks to buy, stocks to sell, and things like that. My aim is very simple, to create 10,000 millionaires in the stock market. I know this is possible. What we'll do is very simple. Every month we save as a group, and we are saving 10,000 shillings per month. If you save 10,000 shillings per month, times 12 months is 120. Times 5 years is 600,000. But if you keep growing this money, then the money doesn't become 600,000. If you keep growing the money by 40%, the money becomes 1 million. And by so doing, we are able to become millionaires in 5 years, all of us, guaranteed. This is what I want you to do, and this is what I am doing myself. We must all be rich, and we must be better than the generation that was before us, our parents and grandparents, according to Retirement Benefits Authority. 90% of our parents and grandparents are poor, they are broke. One problem with getting old is this: you need money. Medical cases increase. You get sick often. As now, we are young. We don't get sick frequently. But as the years go by, we get sick frequently. So you need to visit the hospital more. The medical bills increase. And so you need more money as you are aging. The problem of old people is this: cash flow. You could be having a house, yes. Maybe you are living in Nairobi, you bought mortgage, yes. Now you have assets, you have houses, you have land. The only problem of old people is cash flow. So in this channel, if we grow our money, if we save, if we invest, if we grow our money, we need to have cash flow. Kibunda ya pesa. Pesa chungu nzima. Otas. We need otas as we grow old, so that we're comfortable. We can do a number of these things we want to do. And we can afford a number of these things we want to afford. If you want to go on holidays, you go on holidays. And now, back to our question, the minimum number of shares you can buy. The minimum number of shares you can buy is 100 shares. If you are buying Safaricom shares, 100 shares. 100 shares of Safaricom is about, one share is about 44 shillings. And so 100 shares is about 4,400. If you're buying 100 shares of KPLC, Kenya Power, one share is about 1 shillings and 40 cents. So 100 shares is about 140 shillings. 100 shillings and 40 cents and 140 shillings. You have 100 shares of KPLC. The most expensive share is Kiruitu Ventures. One share is 150,000. No, 1,500. And so 100 shares, you need 150,000 to have 100 shares. Another expensive share is BAT. One share is about 470. And so 100 shares is about 47,000 shillings. Minimum shares you need 100 shares. And with that, you are already in the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. for watching. One request, please subscribe. There's a red button down here written subscribe. Click on it. Next to it, there's a bell notification. There's a bell. Click on the bell so that every time I upload videos, you are in the know. And by the way, I upload videos daily. If you like this video, share it with your friends on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Together, let's learn to save, invest, and grow wealth. I want us all to be rich. I want us all to be comfortable. I want us all to be millionaires, and I know we can do it. If you are new to this group channel, join our Telegram group. That's why we save, we invest, and grow rich together. I also have a VIP group. The cost to joining the VIP group is 1,000 shillings. In the VIP group, I guide you, I give you in-depth analysis of the stock market. The stocks to buy, stocks to sell, why you should buy them, why you should sell them, and so that you grow your money quickly. In the free group, I give guys one stock to buy. In the VIP group, I give guys 4 stocks, 5 stocks to buy every month. Each of those stocks is predicted to grow to 10% each. I do this every month for 12 months. And so our aim in the VIP group is to make 300% return per year. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Join the Telegram group, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you have questions, please drop them down below in the comment section. I'll be able to answer them next time. I want to answer all your questions in the stock market. Thank you. See you in the next video.